All right, welcome back now to Primetime Sports Monday. Now, the 1,000 and 2,000 guineas are a part of a new 10-race day projection that promoting company Supreme Ventures Racing and Entertainment Limited, SVREL, has put up on its website. However, the Guineas trials have been scrapped. Here's Denise Walters.
Both of the 1,000 and 2,000 guineas are the first classics of the season, which has been curtailed by the COVID-19 coronavirus. And according to the adjusted calendar, they are set to be run on separate days once racing resumes. Former 18-time champion trainer Wayne DaCosta says, while he's happy things are progressing in the right direction, he thinks a couple of races are missing.
Race goers usually look forward to the preps leading up to the classics. This year, the Thornbird and the Prince Consort have been abandoned by the promoter. Not sure the reason why they were abandoned, but they were abandoned. Whether it was a monetary factor or it was they figured that they just never had enough space to run them. But we were not notified. We were just made aware when the program came out that these two classic preps were omitted from the program.
DaCosta says the good 3-year-olds have been going through their paces despite the COVID-19 pandemic and are up to scratch for the big days.
You're going to have the ones who had not raced yet improve quite a bit, so you never can tell. It can be interesting in it, both sections. I think the colts will probably have more interest than the fillies this year because you have quite a few good colts around. So not quite sure how to answer your question, whether it'll be a smash or it'll be a flop. But all in all, just glad to get the program on the road on the 13th, and let's hope we'll have a race day on that day.
Former two-time champion jockey Shane Ellis, who rode Supreme Soul to Triple Crown glory in 2019, says that some horses may need more work. Ellis, who is also the president of the Jamaica's Jockeys Guild, notes his group is ready.
So we just have to keep our fingers crossed and hoping for the best. But myself and the other jockeys, we're raring to go. We're working horses in the morning, training in the evening, so we're raring to go.
Meanwhile, Dr. Sophia Ramlal, Senior Jamaica Racing Commission veterinarian, told TVJ Sports that the policy paper to get racing underway will be sent off to the Ministry of Health in short order. A second stakeholders meeting was held on Saturday that included owners, trainers, jockeys agents, along with the regulators and promoting company.
A lot of feedback and discussions were held with the idea that we could get alignment around a plan that would be workable and could be submitted to the Ministry of Health and Wellness. The project team is on target to submit that policy paper later on this week, within a few days.
Stakeholders are seeking a June 13 start date. Racing has been indefinitely suspended at Guineas Park since March 21. Denise Walters for TVJ Sports.